Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you a quick morning yoga sequence to energize you, to wake you up and make you feel positive and focused throughout the day. So let's start our practice for today. This is a short yoga sequence, so especially if you are short on time, this is ideal for you. So sit cross-legged position or sit in any comfortable position. Rest your hands gently on your knees and just close your eyes for a few seconds. Make sure your spine is long, your shoulders are relaxed. So prepare yourself for today's practice. Just take a few deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose, take a deep breath in and breathe out through your nose. Two more like this. Breathe in through your nose, take a deep breath in and breathe out through your nose. One more. Breathe in and breathe out. Gently open your eyes. Okay, let's continue with our practice. So let's warm up our bodies. Let's do cat and cow in sitting. So your hands are gently rested on the knees. You're going to lift your chest, open your heart, take your head back gently, breathe in, shoulders relaxed. Arching your back a bit. And breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button. Continue, breathe in, arc your back, shoulders relaxed, chin away from your chest, breathe. And breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button. One more, breathe in, arch your back, chin away from your chest, lift your heart, shoulders relaxed, breathe in. And breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button. Get your spine to neutral position. You're going to rest your right hand on the right knee, drop your right shoulder down, pressing into your right palm, twisting to your left, looking over your left shoulder. Breathe. And then you switch, press into your left palm, drop your left shoulder down, look over your right shoulder. Two more times like this. To your left, dropping your right shoulder down, looking over your left shoulder, pressing into your right palm, breathe. And to your right, drop your left shoulder, press into your left palm, looking to your right. Keep breathing, one more like this. And to your right. Okay. Come back to the center, take a long stretch, take your arms up, breathe in, interlace your fingers, stretch your arms up, continue to breathe and breathe out to release your hands. Now, you're going to open your right leg to the side, left leg bent. We're going to take a side stretch now, so rest your right hand wherever it reaches comfortably, take your left hand over your ears. Shoulders are in line, so don't drop your left shoulder down, keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get your left hand back, rest your left palm down, press into your left palm, lift your hips up, coming on your left knee, take your right hand over your ears. Shoulders are in line, breathe. And then you gently come back, resting your hips back on the mat, and then you fold towards your right leg. So resting your abdomen gently on your right thigh, rest your hand wherever it reaches comfortably. So no need to overstretch because you're just starting your day. Maybe your hamstrings are tight right now. So just make it a very passive stretch, breathe. Go as far as your body allows you, keep breathing. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, arms down. Before we switch to other side, let's take a twist. So take your left leg over right leg and hug your left leg in with your right arm and draw your left shoulder back, twisting to your left. Continue to breathe. Stay here for a few seconds. Make sure you're evenly sitting on both the hips. Spine is long. Keep breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently release your right hand and then we switch sides. So open your left leg to the side this time. Right leg is bent. Take your left hand wherever it reaches comfortably, left toes, ankle or shin, and take your right hand over your ears. Shoulders are aligned. Breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your right hand down, rest your right palm down. Press into your right palm, come on your right knee, left hand over your ears, side stretch on the left side. Breathe. Full body stretch on the left side, keep breathing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently rest your hips back on the mat and you fold towards your left leg. So take your hands towards your left foot. Rest your belly gently on your left thigh and breathe. Rest your hand wherever it reaches comfortably. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your hands up, breathe in. Breathe out, back to the center, hands down. Okay, now let's twist. So take your right leg over left leg. Take your left hand and hug your right leg in and draw your right shoulder back, twisting to your right, releasing your right hip. Breathe, sit long, lift your heart. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently release, back to the center. Now let your legs be bent. We are going to do reverse tabletop. So your palms are back, fingers pointing forward, open your fingers wide, your legs are bent. Press into your feet, press into your palms, lift your hips up. Squeeze in your hip, lift your hips up. You can look back if you're comfortable or you look towards your knees. So see what you're more comfortable with. Continue to breathe wherever you are. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently rest your hips back on the mat and let's take our first downward dog. So rest your palms down, fingers wide open, tuck your toes, lift your knees up, hips up, push your hips back, push your torso towards your thighs, shoulders relax away from your ears, feet hip width apart, toes pointing forward. Lengthen your spine and let's do walk the dog. So raising your alternate heels, the same spot. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, gently press into your left foot, lift your right leg up, breathe in. Maybe bend your right leg, point your right knee towards the sky, open your hips. Switch sides, rest your right leg back on the mat, press into your right foot, lift your left leg up, breathe in. Breathe out, bend your left leg, point your left knee towards the sky. Rest your left leg back on the mat. Walk your feet towards your hands, coming in your forward fold. You can hold your alternate elbows, soften your knees, relax your neck and shoulders. Gently swing side to side. Continue to breathe. Staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release your hands. Take one step out with your right foot, one step out with your left foot. Plant your left palm down, open your body to the right, take your right arm up, breathe. Pressing into your left palm, take your weight away from your mat, don't sink in your left shoulder. Take your right hand back on the mat, press into your right palm, open your body to the left, take your left arm up, breathe. You can look up if you are comfortable or look down. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your left hand back on the mat and then make your way up. Come up slowly without stressing your lower back, inch by inch, vertebra by vertebra. Now we are going to do sun salutation B. So come in your chair pose Uttanasana, take your arms by the side of your ears, take your hips back and down, knees back, tailbone lengthening down, spine is long, breathe, shoulders are relaxed, take your weight on your heels, breathe in, breathe out, fold forward, breathe in to come halfway up, flat back, breathe out, fold forward, take your right leg back and your left leg back, come in plank, knees, chest, chin down, breathe out. Breathe into cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Breathe in, step your right leg forward, pivoting on the back foot, come in warrior 1, arms by the side of your ears, right knee on top of your right ankle, right heel in line with the arch of your back foot. Staying here for a few seconds. Stay here, grounding your back foot completely. Really good for boosting your energy levels to start your day. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently rest your hands down, take your right leg back, go in plank, knees, chest, chin down, breathe out, breathe into cobra, breathe out, downward dog, breathe in, step your left leg forward, pivoting on the back foot, come in warrior 1 on the left side. Square your hips, shoulders relaxed, breathe, grounding your right foot completely, even your pinky finger. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your hands down, come in plank again, knees, chest, chin down, breathe out, breathe in cobra, breathe out, downward dog. And then walk your feet towards your hands, right leg forward, left leg forward, come in chair pose again, breathe. Breathe in, breathe out to release your hands. From here, interlace your fingers, take your arms away from your lower back and fold forward, soften your knees. Staying here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently release your hands, rest your palms down, take your left leg back, straighten your right leg, pyramid pose. Releasing the back of your legs. You can be on your fingertips or on your palms, taking your head towards your right shin. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently switch side, get your left leg forward, right leg back. Straighten both the legs. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently take your left leg back, go in downward dog. Take one breath here, breathe in and breathe out. Gently rest your knees down. Come in wide knee child pose. Join your big toes together. Knees as wide as you're comfortable or as wide as your yoga mat. Stretch your arms forward. Rest your forehead down. Take your hips towards your heels. This is your time to connect with yourself. Observe all the changes you feel in your body and mind. Preparing yourself for your day. Also a good time to visualize what kind of day you want to have today. Do you want to have any goal? Do you want to tell yourself anything positive to start your day? Go ahead and do it. And then slowly take your hands in, sitting in cross-legged position. We end the practice with one pranayama practice, Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Take your right hand, take your right thumb and pinky finger out, sit long. Resting your right thumb gently on your right nostril, breathe in through your left nostril. Close the left, breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. Breathe out through your left. Breathe in through your left. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. Breathe out through your left. One more, breathe in through your left. And breathe out through your right. Release your hand, rest your hands back on your knees. Closing your eyes for a few seconds. Connecting with yourself. Observe all the changes you feel in your body and mind now. Just take a moment to reflect back on your today's practice. If you want to repeat the intention you set during the practice for yourself, or anything positive you want to tell yourself, just go ahead and do it. If you're ready to end the practice, just gently rub your palms and feel the warmth of your palms on your eyes, taking in all the positive energy back in your body, on your shoulders, on your arms, on your stomach, on your legs. Take your hands back at the heart center. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Close your mouth. Open your eyes. So we are done with our today's practice. I hope you enjoyed this quick morning yoga sequence and it will make you feel positive and focused for your day ahead. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much. I will see you again. Thank you. Namaste.